Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something ultra slim and surprisingly powerful. The TECNO Spark Slim. I got it right here, freshly delivered from Shopee. This phone is not just about looks. For just 8,459 Philippine pesos or roughly 143 US dollars, TECNO might have pulled up a magic trick. So let's get into the unboxing and full review. Alright, let's crack this open. The box is bright orange, pretty much standard in size, with some specs printed on the back. Inside we've got the phone itself, a USB cable, a 45 watts fast charger, a SIM ejector tool, and this small orange pack that includes a few extras. A free tempered glass for display protection, some paperwork, and a smoke-hard plastic phone case. And finally, peeling off the film wrap reveals the stunning TECNO Spark Slim. The build is impressive. The TECNO Spark Slim is just 5.9mm thin and weighs only 156 grams. TECNO used aerospace-grade fiberglass for the back and Corning Gorilla Glass 7i for the curved display. It feels premium in hand and surprisingly durable. It's got US military-grade drop resistance and an IP64 rating for splash protection. That's rare for a phone this thin. And check this out. TECNO added a mood light at the back, which subtly glows for notifications, charging, and calls. It's a small touch, but it adds personality and flair to the phone's ultra slim design. It's functional and stylish, especially in low light settings. The curved AMOLED display is vibrant and smooth, with a 144Hz refresh rate and 4500 nits peak brightness. Whether you're scrolling through socials or watching videos, it looks fantastic. The curved edges also make it feel more immersive. Now let's talk performance. This phone runs on a MediaTek Helio G200 with 8GB of onboard RAM plus an additional 8GB of virtual RAM. It's not flagship level, but for the price, it's a beast. It also features a game mode that enhances your gaming experience and lets you tweak settings like bypass charging. I played Genshin Impact at 30 FPS on low settings and Mobile Legends at 60 FPS. Smooth and very playable. And here's the kicker. In Antutu benchmarks, the TECNO Spark Slim actually outperformed pricier models like the TECNO POVA 6 Pro, 5G, and OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. That's wild for a phone that costs this much. TECNO really nailed the performance to price ratio here. You'd expect that in this price range, the cameras would be garbage. But not with the TECNO Spark Slim. The 50-megapixel main camera is surprisingly good. In daylight, it captures bright, detailed shots with balanced contrast and accurate colors. Portrait mode delivers nice subject separation with a naturally blurred background. Video quality is solid too, with support for up to 2K resolution. Also, there are a bunch of AI-enhanced features like AI GZ Portrait and AI Race, just to name a few. It runs iOS 15 on Android 15. It offers a bunch of AI features, customization, and productivity tools. With such features like circuit to search, AI writing, and dual system mode for separating work and personal life. Privacy tools like screenshot blur are also built in. Connectivity-wise, it's got Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and even an IR blaster to control appliances. No 5G, but solid 4G LTE performance. Battery life blew me away. 15 hours and 33 minutes on medium usage. That's all-day power from a phone thinner than 2 coins. And with 45 watts fast charging, you're back up in no time. Audio is also solid, thanks to dual stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos. Loud, clear, and immersive. Here's an actual audio sample for your reference. So what's the verdict? The TECNO Spark Slim isn't just a design statement. It's a fully capable daily driver. For just 8,459 pesos, you're getting premium build, solid performance, great battery life, and a feature-packed experience. Tecno didn't just go slim, they went smart. If you're in the Philippines, this is the model to get. Wild price, wild value. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you rock upon this slim? Catch you in the next one. Bye.